Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Solana, with a market cap of $50 billion, is currently trading around $87.68 level. Currently, it's up 5.5% over the last 1 week, still down 33% over the last 1 year. Market participants are still scared. There's still extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market right now. But Solana is one of those altcoins to watch out for. It looks like we've found support around the $80 region. How high can we go? Where those resistance level where we get stopped out? In the previous video, we talked about the $142 level, the $208 region, and maybe just maybe we go back to new all-time highs. And even though we're seeing some altcoins pump front, left, and center, will Solana join the party? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Right now, guys, there's still extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are still scared. Market participants are still expecting lower prices. Pessimism is almost at its all-time high. If you look at the crypto fear and greed index, right now we're in extreme fear. Yesterday we were in extreme fear. Last week we were in extreme fear. But slowly and slowly, the altcoin market is regaining some of those gains slowly and slowly on a daily time frame. We're seeing altcoins pump front, left, and center. Solana in the last 24 hours has gained 3.1% of its value. The last 1 week has seen Solana rally up by 5.6%, which is not bad. Solana's outperformed Bitcoin over the last 1 week, which is a right step, which is a nice step in the right direction. We expect Solana to continue in that trend over the next few weeks. Solana's market cap is at $50.4 billion, 24-hour trading volume above $6.2 billion, with a fully diluted market cap of $55 billion. And even though Solana might not give you up that 10x, that 20x, I believe we can easily see Solana at some point in time in 2026 trade for as high as $300. Right now, Solana's all-time high sits at $294. Solana is down 70% from its all-time high. Solana's had a wonderful cycle. If you look at Solana's price chart just some around 4 years ago, Solana was trading below $15. In 2022 December, Solana traded for as low as $9.8. But guess what, guys? Right now, Solana is trading above $87. There might be some letdown for some market participants that got in on around March of 2024, or you got in early December of 2023. It felt like Solana has not made any move. If you got in December of 2023, Solana was trading around $77. Then we've seen Solana go to as high as $294, but we've seen it come back down. So it feels like there have not been any move in Solana for 854 days. But you have to put things in context, guys. Just go further back when Bitcoin was trading around $15,000, Solana dropped to as low as $8. And that was when we saw Solana pumping aggressively to higher prices, going back to new all-time highs. But something fundamental to show you guys, which making me believe that if Solana is not the bottom, we might be near the bottom. I know a lot of market participants are still expecting lower prices. They're expecting Solana to give us one leg down, possibly getting to that $44 level. But the last time we saw Solana's RSI at this region where we are right now, that proved to be a bottom. That was way back in December of 2022. Those market participants that bought there, they were happy they did. At first, it didn't look like that was the bottom. First, Solana would give us a big pump, 166% pump, and we consolidated. And it took Solana by around 294 days before we broke out. But when we broke out, the pump was swift, the pump was crazy. And by the time we are down by 444 days from the bottom, Solana had put up a 2,000% move to the upside. Now, I'm not calling for a 2,000% move to the upside, but I'm calling for a relief rally at worst, at best, a pump towards all-time highs. I believe Solana in the next few weeks could rally towards $142. Maybe we'll go higher than that. Maybe we'll find Solana getting to as high as $208 from where we're currently trading right now. For Solana to get to that $208 level, we need to see around the 1,300% pump to the upside for Solana. Can we go higher than that? There's always that possibility. Solana could get to as high as $300. From where we're currently trading right now, for Solana to get to new all-time highs, 239% pump to the upside, which is very, very possible, guys. You never want to say never with the altcoin market. Crazier things have happened in the altcoin market. The last 1 week, we have seen Siren go up 159%. We have seen Rave go up 1,500%. Solana is one of the biggest altcoins we have in the market. Market participants go crazy. If things get out of hand, Solana could easily pick one of those big moves to the upside. But don't put too much expectation in Solana pumping straight to all-time highs. As I showed you guys in the last video, there's a lot of resistance along the way. We could easily get to $142, get rejected, continue on our journey to all-time highs, just like in 2022. Or I assume the best case scenario, my own best case scenario for 2026, we see Solana getting to at worst $200, at best $300. I believe that $300 level is just going to be very, very crazy. A lot of market participants would have come back, believing we're pumping to new all-time highs. This time is different. We're going to the moon. That would be the perfect trap for a lot of market participants. Because if you imagine a situation where Solana gets to that $300 level, the vibes then in the cryptocurrency markets will be bullish. Sentiment would have left extreme fear, would have been in greed, or maybe extreme greed. Market participants will be excited. You'll be hearing how altcoins are the best thing since sliced bread, altcoin season. The tales will be endless. But the way to win the game, guys, is to have a plan before the pump comes. And when the pump comes, you just behave like a machine executing that plan as we pump to higher prices. From where we're currently trading right now, the higher we go, the more riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more we see Solana outperform Bitcoin, outperform Ethereum. And yes, it might not set new all-time highs against Bitcoin, but the next few months should see Solana at least pull off a big move against Bitcoin, a 50% move at worst, about a 100% move at burst. If Solana rallies 100% against Bitcoin, that will see us rallying back to where Solana was trading in January of 2025. Don't get carried away, guys. As I say it again, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more influencers and market participants start expecting higher prices. Now, if you see Solana's performance against Ethereum, even though in the longer term, I believe Solana will still dump aggressively against Ethereum, just like it did in the previous bear market. But then there's always these spikes we used to have for Solana against Ethereum. Look how Solana did in May of 2022, outperform Ethereum in just 21 days by around 81%. I don't know how high it will do this time, but I believe the next rally to see Solana outperforming Ethereum. We're seeing some bullish divergence on Solana's performance against Ethereum. We saw Solana dumping to new lows on the 11th of August 2025, and right now, the Solana's valuation against Ethereum has dumped to new lows, but the RSI is still holding on to a higher high, to a lower high, which is a good sign, which is always a positive sign. That's a bullish divergence. Don't be shocked to see Solana outperform Ethereum over the next few days and the next few weeks. For Solana's market cap, be watching it very, very closely. Yes, Solana could pump to new all-time highs, finally cracking $100 billion. In 2021, we saw Solana's market cap getting to as high as $75 billion. That was the line in the sand. And as we're dumping to Goblin Town early 2026, we took a chill pill around that $77 billion level. For us to head back there, assuming we don't get rejected, that's a 57% pump to the upside for Solana. If we can go higher than that, maybe we get to the all-time highs. The all-time highs for Solana's market cap right now sits around $142 billion. We got to as high as $135 billion in September of 2025, but then we got rejected. That will be another key level to watch out for. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How bullish are you on Solana? Currently trading around the $87 level. We have been consolidating since the 2nd of February 2026. We've been consolidating around that $72 region. Are you buying more Solana right now? Are you expecting that exit pump? How high do you think Solana can go in 2026? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.